Okay, this is how you modify a nerf zombie strike double strike. You need the bullets to go in the slot, which is 2, and then you need you need 12 loose bullets that you haven't used yet. And you also need hair bands, I guess, whatever they're called. So you want to wrap it. Well, I just failed there. You want to wrap it around the Nerf gun so that it's right there. Make it to where it's at least as straight as you can get it. Just make sure it's in one of the holes here, like that. Then just take the bullets and start from the bottom and just slip them in like this. And just keep going until you're completely out of loose bullets. Because once you're out of loose bullets, you're done. Well, not exactly, but. And this doesn't actually make it shoot faster. It just really helps to where you don't have to shoot, and then go grab the bullets and then shoot. So you just keep going. And if you're one of those guys who actually use the aiming sights a lot, more than you do shooting it like that, you can just take it and take 2 extra bullets out and just have 12. 10, right? On the crest, on the top and the sides instead of 2 on the top. And I think like 5 on the, no, not 5, but something like that. And you just gotta keep going until you're finished. Almost done. And then once you actually have the finished product, it's gonna look really cool as well. It's gonna be a lot better. So you just keep going. 2 more left. Almost finished. And there's the modded version. It holds a really good amount of extra bullets. So you just shoot these 2 and then you keep taking them out until you're out. Then you have to go grab them all. And that's how you modify the Nerf Zombie Strike Double Strike.